M. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, hi, thank you so much for tuning in. I look like this because I just filmed a lip swatch video and I look like a banda for a reason. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my skincare journey so far. It's actually been like up and down, not that great, but when I was in 7th and 8th standard especially, my skin was so bad. I suffered with acne, very oily skin. I was not aware of the fact कि मुझे क्या-क्या products लगाने चाहिए और मुझे क्या मतलब it was like so confusing. अभी भी in the market like it's so much confusion कि हम कौन से products use करें, हम किस ब्रांड को यूज़ करें, हम कौन से ब्लॉगर को ट्रस्ट करें, राइट? सेम हैपेंड विद मी, बट नाउ आई नो कि मुझे इस सीज़न में कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करने हैं इस सीज़न में. एंड वैसे भी आई कीप ऑन चेंजिंग माई स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स एंड दैट्स लाइक माई थिंग, यू नो. कभी मुझे कुछ बहुत अच्छा मिल जाता है, आई कीप ऑन रिपीटिंग दैट, फिर मैं बोर हो जाती हूँ एंड देन आई स्विच टू अदर प्रोडक्ट्स. सो येस, आई एम गोना बी शेयरिंग विद यू कि मेरी जर्नी इज़ वेरी सिंपल, कि मैंने क्या किया, कैसे चीज़ों को मैनेज किया. आई विल बी शेयरिंग दैट ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स विद यू इन द वीडियो. सो इन केस यू आर इंटरेस्टेड then keep on watching. Alright, so before starting my makeup journey, I'm gonna quickly change my outfit like this. Oh god, that transition was so bad. And for the first step, I'm definitely going to remove my makeup, and the thing that I'm going to use today is these Ariel eye and lip remover pads. These are like my jam nowadays and I can't just stop using them. They are amazing and they are oil based, so my skin is drying out lately, so I really am into this product. This is how these pads look like. And by the way, I'm wearing lenses right now. Lenses पहन के अपना makeup remove करना is not a good, like the best thing that you can do for yourself, but I have no choice because lenses उतारने के बाद मुझे कुछ भी दिखाई नहीं देता, मैं अंधी हो जाती हूँ proper. So I have no option, so I kind of have to do it like this. So I'm just gonna take these pads and just start removing my makeup in circular motions and gonna get started with my skincare journey with you.
Alright, so when I was in 7th and 8th standard, oh my god, this is funny.
मेरी तो स्किन बहुत ही ज़्यादा ख़राब, जैसे पूरी oily और you know it was acne prone basically, and I had a lot of acne at that time. And मुझे समझ में नहीं आता था कि मैं क्या प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करूँ, बिकॉज मार्केट में हर टाइप के प्रोडक्ट्स मिलते हैं एंड मुझे मेरी स्किन के बारे में नहीं पता था. आई वॉज रियली कंसर्न्ड फॉर माई स्किन बिकॉज आई वॉज इन टू मेकअप सिंस दैट टाइम. ओ गॉड, लुक एट मी. फाइनली वन डे व्हाट आई डिसाइडेड, प्रोडक्ट कोई भी हो, आई जस्ट हैव टू मेक अ रूटीन फॉर माई सेल्फ. अभी भी अगर मुझे कोई पूछता है तो मैं उसको ये बोलती हूँ कि आई एम नॉट अ डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट, तो मुझे पता नहीं है कि मैं आपको क्या रिकमेंड करूँ, बट आई कैन डेफिनेटली टेल यू टू हैव योर ओन रूटीन, स्किन केयर रूटीन दैट यू कैन फॉलो, and just 3 steps. You just have to cleanse, tone and moisturize. That is basically it. उसके बाद जब आप थोड़े लेवल पे पहुंच जाओ जो कि आपको स्किन केयर के बारे में और पता चले, then you can go ahead with serums, you know, other stuff, face mask, scrubs and all of that. But at that age you just need 3 things: cleanse, tone and moisturize. So I decided to just follow a routine which was सुबह clean tone moisturize, स्कूल से आने के बाद क्लीन टोन मॉइस्चराइज एंड रात को सोने से पहले क्लीन टोन मॉइस्चराइज. Look at that. So these pads are really amazing. These are oil based and they take off every part of your makeup that you're wearing. I just love these pads. Alright, so now I'm done with removing my makeup, like almost all of it, but still sometimes I like to, you know, use another cleanser like a Garnier micellar water or something like that, but today I'm not gonna do that because I was not wearing that heavy makeup. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a face wash and wash my face. And for the face wash, I'm currently using this Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser by The Face Shop. I am actually digging this product because आपको इतना सा चाहिए होता है and you're done with washing your face, and that's amazing to be honest. I'm gonna spritz some water on my face really quick. I'm taking very little amount because you need very less of this product. So I stick to one routine and I followed that like every single day, like 3 times I had to clean, tone and moisturize. Products were very simple, like Clean and Clear, Pond's, ये सब products थे. And आप मानोगे नहीं, 1 महीने में मेरे सारे like मेरी स्किन प्रॉब्लम्स ख़त्म हो गई थी. बस थोड़े से जो स्कार्स होते हैं ना, जो हम पिंपल्स होते हैं और पील कर देते हैं, you know, all of those, वो रह गए थे. And but I was really happy कि I followed a particular routine and that worked. So I started, you know, experimenting and I got into skincare after that. Literally that was my story. In case I get any of the pictures from that time, I'm definitely gonna share with you right now, because why not. I'm now gonna quickly rinse this face wash off and we'll be right back. Alright, so I washed my face with the face wash and my skin already feels so much better, but a little bit dry because of the whole process. So I increased a little bit of the brightness because I think बहुत dull थी अभी तक footage. So yes, I just got done with cleaning my face with the face wash and now I'm gonna go ahead and tone. I'm not gonna do any scrub or anything like that because it's just a regular night. Today is not my pamper day, so I'm gonna quickly tone my face using this green tea watery toner by It's Skin. I just love It's Skin products. Like, this brand is so underrated. Nobody talks about it. I don't know why, because they don't promote that much. You can see how much I've used. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this. I'm just going to do this जब तक प्रोडक्ट मेरी स्किन के अंदर चला नहीं जाता. ओके. एंड मुझे एक बात आप लोगों से करनी थी कि आप कभी भी किसी ब्लॉगर से don't ever ask any blogger about skincare, because they are not professionals and they just know what is working for their skin, not yours. So do not do that, because मुझे ऐसे DMs आते हैं कि डार्क सर्कल्स कैसे कवर करूँ, मैं कौन सी रूटीन यूज़ करूँ, मतलब कौन सी रूटीन और कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करूँ. एंड आई ऑलवेज टेल all my followers and all my friends कि आप अपने आप करके देखो कि आपकी स्किन ड्राई है कि ऑयली है. पहले तो ये फिगर आउट करो, और जब वो फिगर आउट हो जाए उसके बाद प्रोडक्ट्स ट्राई करने स्टार्ट करो. लाइक प्रोडक्ट्स, मेनली प्रोडक्ट्स पे लिखा होता है कि वो ड्राई स्किन के लिए हैं कि ऑल स्किन टाइप्स के लिए हैं, कि यू नो जो भी आपके इशू हैं स्किन के, जस्ट गो अहेड विद दैट प्रोडक्ट एंड ट्राई इट आउट. अगर वो नहीं आपको सूट करता है तो चेंज करो. एंड इफ़ यू आर स्टिल कन्फ्यूज्ड कि मैं कौन से ब्रांड का कौन सा प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करूँ, देन यू कैन ट्राई आउट सम ऑफ माई फेवरेट ब्रांड्स, दैट इज़ द फेस शॉप, द बॉडी शॉप. वी हैव It's Skin. It's Skin is such a good brand. Even Arise is a very nice brand. Like, the products are really nice quality and I loved their results also. Then we also have, there are so many, but you can try some of the products from these brands that I've just told you. Alright, so the toner is absorbed into my skin and now I'm going to use a serum. And for the serum, I'm going to use again It's Skin Green Tea Range Serum. This is from the same range. I even loved this moisturizer that came into this range. I finished it completely in a month. Since my skin is dry right now, so I like to apply a serum before a moisturizer, especially in the night. I'm going to nicely massage my skin and let it absorb into my skin. And when a product seeps into your skin nicely, it's absorbed nicely, then only head over to the next step. सब कुछ मिक्स करके लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. ओके, सो यस, so I was saying, do not ask any of your blogger friends or any of your friends also what to use, what not to use. Just research yourself and go ahead and try a particular product. Okay. Alright, so the serum is also absorbed into my skin and it feels so good. Like, I love the serum, to be honest. And now is the turn of my favorite product. It's the moisturizer. This is how this looks. They actually sent all of these products to me and I tried it out because मुझे brand के बारे में पता नहीं था, तो मुझे था कि मैं क्यों खरीदूँ, right? So I tried and I am in love with this brand, guys. This is by It's Skin. It's their Tiger Cica gel cream, and this, you guys, this container is full of hydration. I'm not even kidding. This is like a hydration container and I use this much, sometimes more than this. When my skin is feeling very dry, I use more. but this cream, you will see the difference once I apply it. This gives another level glow to your face and hydrates like crazy. I mean, you gotta try this. If you have dry skin, just try this brand out, guys. It's so good. Do not forget your neck. Like, I don't have to say that now because ab to sabko pata hota hai, right? So I like to keep my skincare as simple as possible. I do not like to, add certain products and then forget about them and pade rehte hain, expire ho jate hain. I really don't like that thing. So I just go with minimal products but good products. So क्या यूज़ किया मैंने अभी 4 प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ किए लिटरली, फेस वॉश, टोनर, सीरम एंड मॉइस्चराइजर. दिस इज़ माई नाइट रूटीन. बेसिकली आफ्टर डूइंग दिस नाइट टाइम स्किन केयर रूटीन आई फील लाइक जस्ट गोइंग टू स्लीप एंड गो टू बेड. इट्स एक्चुअली माई डे एंड नाइट स्किन केयर रूटीन. इट्स लिटरली द सेम. समटाइम्स इन द डे आई skip the serum and apply sunscreen after the moisturizer, but बस इतना ही है change और क्या. So yes, that is about it, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next video now. Bye.